All right, guys. Well, it's been a while since I've done anything on YouTube, and there's been a reason because we've just been making too much money. Don't have time to do the free stuff on YouTube here. So I want to tell you what's been going on for the last 100 hours or so in VIP Gold, Platinum, and Platinum Pro. So for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Red Baron. Thank you very much for spending a couple minutes with me. I want to kind of give you the information on how we can kind of help super tune you as an investor. So I want to speak to the guys that are kind of just before Christmas. You know, it'd be nice to have a little extra Christmas money for the kids. It'd be nice to be able to finish this year out and just in positivity because it's just been a suck year. It really has. There's just nobody making any money. The market's been down, and all of a sudden now we get this pump, and now people are crazy. They don't know how to handle it. They don't know how to get into the market. They don't know how to get out of the market. Is it too soon? Is it too late? I can help you with that. And so what I've been doing in the last 100 hours for my VIP Gold subscribers, Platinum and Platinum Pro, I've opened my wallet to show them what I'm doing. And I average and been this way for a long time. I average making anywhere from about $25,000 to $75,000 every single day. Every single day. Doesn't matter what the markets are doing. It's pretty well known that I'm a whale, and most of the people have an idea that I've got quite a bit of money, but they don't really know what I'm working with. And so I decided to try something because I have a heart for teaching, and I really like to be able to. I get more joy out of watching you guys succeed. You know, once you know how to make money, it just gets to be a little blasé. Sharing that success with people who've never had that success before, that's fun for me. I love to teach. I love to watch you guys just light up when you, oh my God, I've never seen this much money come in. And so this is what's been going on for like the last 100 hours or so. So in VIP Gold, I just decided about 3 days ago that I was going to show you what I'm working with. So I rolled about $400,000 into an account, and I said, okay, we're going to trade this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys copy exactly what I do. I'm going to show you live inside of what we call Crypto Treehouse, which is our closed live stream. And I said, I'm going to show you when I get in, when I get out, what I'm looking for. I'm going to teach you how I think. I'm going to teach you the process. I'm going to teach you everything. I'm going to show you how to use the tools that I use. So really all you got to do is copy my homework. Fair enough? Fine. So that's what I did. So I started about roughly 4 or 5 days ago. I started this process. 4 days ago, I did my first trade. And within minutes, I was pulling in $7,000, $10,000, $15,000. And so I want to show you what just closed this morning. So this $400,000 has pumped up to $779,627.79. And that just closed literally about an hour ago. The trade before that, I've been skimming it off buying toys on eBay. I have a bad buying habit. I have a terrible eBay habit. So I started the last trade with $700,000 even. I skimmed off the profit on that. So I made last night in less than 12 hours $79,627.79. And so anybody that was in VIP Gold was watching that, and they were copying my entry. And so when I do an entry, the price falls a little bit, and they're able to get in behind me. So I tell you to go, and you go. I tell you to leave, you leave. And I exit after and before you do. So I never use you as my entry and extra liquidity. I actually give you the unfair advantage, and that's exactly what our group is all about. So here's my pitch to you guys. If you've never heard of me before, my name is Red Baron. As I told you, I'm a 35-year investor. I've been doing this for a very long time, guys. I'm a best-selling author in business. I've taught real estate foreclosures. I've taught crypto investing. I've taught a lot of different disciplines. I'm not what I refer to as a skateboard kid. I bring the real money. I do have the experience. And so it drives me nuts when I see these guys that are influencers, quote unquote influencers, and they're like, you need to buy this coin, you need to buy that coin. They won't show you their wallet. They won't show you live proof that they know what the hell they're talking about. I will do that. Check the chat here because you're going to see the firsthand witness of everybody that was in this live chat watching me do this. Just check the chat of this video. And they'll tell you, I was there, I witnessed it, I saw it. And so if you'd like to be a part of that, next trade starts in about 3 hours. So make sure you join us. All you got to do is just go to the unfairadvantage.chat. We have a little welcome room that comes in. We'll get you hooked into the social media so you know where you can find me and all of my talkings and lessons that I dish out once in a while. We also have a for Christmas, and so I'll give you access to Bitcoin chart AI powered chart, so you can kind of understand how my process works a little bit. And if you want to step up into gold, platinum, or platinum pro, just simply ask a moderator and it'll route you right through. Just go to fibbycharts.com, purchase gold or platinum pro, and you'll be lined up for the next 3 hours. We're going to do our next trade here, and we're going to make the biggest trade we ever did in the history of this website in 4 years. Last night we did about $1 million in combined income. So starting with, and so it's been pretty crazy. And so we're projecting about a 400% profit on the next coin that we do. And that starts in about 3 hours. So make sure you join us. Love to have you be a part of this. Until next time, peace and hair grease, baby.